Okay, today I'm gonna make a video of replacing the outside faucet. This is the outside faucet. Okay, and this is a new one, brand new one. Yeah, been bought it from Menards. And at first I thought it was too hard. But when you make a decision and put yourself to it, it's not that big a deal. The reason I have to do this, because I have a plumber coming to estimate it. And they say to replace this, because there's some work inside there that we have to be done. Do some welding, a lot of work inside there. So they say it's gonna cost. First, I have them replacing a 6 feet pipe plus this, and after they do the estimate, they say it's gonna cost $1,050, and that wasn't make me happy. I don't want to write a check $1,000. So I talked to my wife, because my wife's the one that don't want me to do it, just to have a plumber come over and do it. So after the estimate, she and I think, well, that's too much money. So she said, can you do it? So I had to figure out how to do it, okay? So after this video, I have another video that I'm gonna put on YouTube so you can see. This is the outside, okay? Another video inside too, all right? Thanks. You're gonna watch the inside next, so you understand what I'm talking about, okay? Thank you. Bye.